extensions, 12 Hive, and oh, it's Windows 7 2003. Hang on, new toolbar. That's right. You have to do it this way. Program files, common files, Microsoft shared. Server extensions 12. Right, now the beauty of that is now I can go, right, I need to go to the log folder, open, bang, I'm there. Or I want to see what features has been added, bang, I'm there. And what we should see if I order by date order is that there will be a new one there. If I order by the right, oh, it's still deploying. Oh, okay. Yeah, so it doesn't like that. There's okay, so sometimes what you have to do is have to do an uninstall, and that will remove it from here. I haven't seen that error in a while, and that'll uninstall it, and then just do a deploy again.
So the web part is also deployed globally to central admin.
Well, the WISP file goes into your farm, and that puts all of the resources at the farm level in the right place. But unless you do a deploy to a web application, the whatever's in that WISP package isn't available.
Okay.
Now, WISP Builder is lazy because what it does is when you do a deploy, rather than it going, I want to deploy to a particular web application, it deploys to all your web applications. Because in a development environment, it doesn't really matter where it's deployed to. But you may have a scenario where you've got, so I'll just deploy that again. You may have a scenario where you've got a web part that you only want available in, say, DPC, and you don't want it available in Premiere or whatever. So what you can do is when you deploy a WISP, you can actually say only deploy this to DPC. Yeah. Okay, so I'll do that in 2 seconds. So now you should see that because it's deployed, maybe it's just deploying still. Yeah, okay, so it's doing it at the minute. There you go. So you'll see that the farm has provisioned that into there. Now the beauty of this is because the farm's provisioned it, if you had like 2 servers in your farm, a web front end server and a search server and maybe another web front end, you don't have to copy that folder to every single 12 Hive in your farm. SharePoint does it for you.
Okay.
So all that's automated, and if you do an undeploy of that WISP, it'll actually delete that folder for you as well. So it's a really good way of keeping your farm clean. So now if I refresh that, this should come up saying deployed. And now we've got that in here. Now, what it'll also allow me to do is if you go into my site collection settings, you'll notice down the bottom, because I was in edit mode, it's saving it first. So it is struggling a bit.
So far with WISP Builder, from what you know, does it have any bugs at all?
No, I've been using it for how long now? A year and a half now. It's really good.
Yeah. We've been using ISO frameworks. It does pretty much the same thing. Also upgrade these features and also these
there you go.
It's
deployed.
Yeah. It's got a bugs inside, add the wrong things in.
Yeah.
So we always got to go back there, copy the top line, bring it down, change the names of the features.
Yeah, I won't comment on the microphone about that. That's a discussion for the pub. Right, okay, so come on. Okay, so we're in here, and because we deployed that feature at site collection level, it'll appear in here as test web part. We activate that. What's that done?
It's activated. So the web path, if you have anything the features that come with it, it's inside that will be available in the site.
So now if I go edit page, and I come down here and go add, and look for my test web part and add that. There he is. Hello SharePoint. And then if I go to modify, because the way this default web part works is it's writing that, which is set via that, which is an exposed web part property. When I come in here and go have a check, and then I can just do that and do a submit for approval.
Does the Wisp Builder have got Ajax web parts that come with it?
No, no. It's really just a plumbing framework for Wisps. It's not anything to do with functionality. So start that. Do you guys use the approval workflow? I think I asked this before, didn't I?
Should we turn it off?
Turn it off, but some site does use approval.
Yeah.
Some site don't,
Yeah. So there you go. So that's kind of in there done. But that wouldn't be approved until I do. Okay. So yeah.
For reject.
Yeah. So yeah. So you can. Yeah. So, but it's disabled because I'm not in the I'm not in the approvers group. Although I'm a site collection admin, so yeah, so I need to add myself to there. But that you get the idea of what I'm doing there, right? So that was really easy to get a web part done, and you can check this into source control. So if I wanted to, I can go add source control and add this into TFS. Really nice and straightforward. Yeah.
Very happy with it.
Cool. All right. So I'll just exit out of that, and exit out of that, and exit out of that. Right. Okay, so I just